Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hope you all are doing good and safe at home. Dear students, in our today's lesson, we are going to learn how to draw a slice of watermelon. So let's start our activity. Drawing watermelon is quite very easy and simple. We can draw a watermelon with some simple lines and shapes. So first of all, draw a straight line in this way. Now draw some curved lines like this. Draw a small straight line on the other side. Coming back to the starting point, draw a curved line going down, and then we will join it with this small line over here. The next part is that we are going to draw two more lines with this curved line. Dear students, this part of watermelon is called the skin. It is rind and this is flesh. Let's draw cute eyes on our watermelon to make it look cute. Inside these circles, draw small circles, color the big one and leave the small ones to show the eyes look shiny. Now add a sweet smile on the sweet watermelon. Dear students, watermelon is delicious and refreshing fruit. It grows on the ground and it takes 80 days to grow a watermelon. Isn't it a fun fact about watermelon? Now let's draw the seeds. Raindrops like shapes for the seeds. After drawing the seeds, color them with the black. Here comes another fun part after drawing the seeds. You can color your watermelon with paints, pencil colors, crayons, or even you can use a sponge for the printing. Hope you enjoyed today's lesson. See you in the next lesson. Take care. Allah Hafiz.